Just a little update on the Corvette, the Salvage Corvette that I rebuilt. Those are the rockers that came in from C7 Carbon. Took a while. I was about a 4-month delivery time, 15 weeks. Finally got those put on to complete the car. She has been awesome. I got 2,500 miles on her already. I drive it every weekend. Take my wife out places in Dallas. Thoroughly enjoying every second of this car. It's been really hard to find like what kind of project I want to do next. I know I haven't updated YouTube at all in a long time. I haven't even gotten the chance to ride my motorcycle. It's been just so busy at work, and I wish I had more time, but unfortunately I have not. But I will try to get another project car soon. I'm trying to look for a car that's not fiberglass or aluminum. I'm trying to look for a steel vehicle at the moment, but we'll see. It's really difficult to find vehicles. You know, I did get a new truck. I will update you guys on that. I got my previous truck was stolen from my house. It's crazy, I know, but times are crazy right now. But yeah, I got a Ram TRX, so I will make a video about that. But yeah, this is just what it looks like now. I haven't really updated it. I haven't had the chance. I did install those guards. Oh, sorry, Ellie. I did install the little grill guards for the front radiators. But other than that, I've been just chilling, enjoying the vehicle.